Imagine that you could search with the exact description of the person you want to meet. Say for example, I need a project manager that has experience with AI. Yeah, I need someone with a communications degree but is currently in tech. My god, the scope is just vast, is limitless. I went to my LinkedIn profile page and I'm searching for backend developers with 5 years of experience. Go to the people section and the AI will filter it to you. You can see that this first option, when I clicked to open the person's LinkedIn profile in a new tab and I went through the person's experience, you would see that the person has, just a minute down, yeah, when you click the more option and then you scroll down, you would see that this person is working in a place where he has over 5 years. So if you go to second profile that is filtered out for you, you would also see here that if you scroll down to this person's profile page, that she has over 7 years of experience. So this really works. Let me know if you understood the essence of this video. Let me know if you found it helpful. And please remember, you're no longer searching by keywords. You're searching based on goals. Based on your goals. Take care, guys. Until the next video. Bye.